Hey everyone, welcome back to the Django crash course. In this video, we will learn how to update and delete data in Django using the ORM. These are essential skills for building any interactive app where data changes over time. Let's jump right in. We will continue using our task model we have used before. First of all, I'm going to create string method. Now this will return the title of the task when we try to print it. Now for testing, we are going to use Django shell again. Firstly, make sure virtual environment is active. Let's start the shell. Python 3 manage.py shell. First, import the model from todo.models import task. First of all, we are going to print out all the tasks. Tasks.objects.all. And you can see we have these tasks saved in the database. Let's update the task with the title my first task. To update this task, we will use the get method. Task.objects.get title equal to my first task in lowercase. Now this is going to fetch a single task. We will store the task in a variable called task. Now we have object in the task variable. Now to change the title, we write task.title equal to this is updated title. Press enter. After updating the field we want to update, we'll use the save method to save it in the database. When I press enter, this object has been updated. The title of this object has been updated, and we can run the query again and see the first task is having the updated title. Similar to this, you can update multiple attributes and then save the object in the end. If there are multiple objects, you can update them as well. For that, we will use update method. We write task.objects tasks equal to task.objects.filter. Filter out the ones with the completed equal to false. We print out tasks. We have two tasks in here. Now to update them, we will write tasks.update and we will provide the fields we want to update. Let's say we want to mark them as completed. If I press enter, the tasks has been updated. If we try to query the tasks again, we won't see any task because we have marked all the incomplete tasks as completed. If we try to query the ones that are completed, you can see all the tasks are here in this query set. Next one, we are going to see how to delete. First of all, we are going to fetch a single task, tasks.objects.get. We want to get the one with title. This is updated title. So we are fetching this task. Here we have this task. To delete it, we will simply call the delete method on this object. If I press enter, it has been deleted. We can query all objects and see if we have this or not. And you can see the one with the updated title is not here anymore. This is how you can delete a single element. To delete multiple elements, now we are going to do the bulk delete. Now for bulk delete, we are going to delete all the data that is there in the query set with the completed equal to true. We'll write task.objects.filter the completed equal to true, and then we'll say dot delete. If I press enter, all the tasks are deleted. Let's query the database and get all the tasks. And you can see the query set is now empty. We just bulk deleted the tasks that were there in the database. Here are some safety tips. Always filter carefully before calling delete method. Use first instead of get when you are not sure the object exists. You can preview what you will delete with the dot count method first. And that's how you update and delete model instances in Django. These operations are simple but powerful, and now you know how to use them safely. In the next video, we will explore Django templating language used for writing templates. Don't miss it. Got questions? Ask in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more Django tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.